So I went in to get a new phone, or to yell at him about my bill. So catch this load of shit. I pay for my phone in full every time. This one here, they traded me $800 for my last phone, and I gave them $400 for this phone. So I go in there, I'm like, I want to change my, oh, there goes that hawk. Oh, did you see it? Ah, it was a hawk, you son of a. Oh, too bad you guys didn't see that. Huh. You hawk out, guys. I'm gonna have to go scare that guy off. Let me take you guys with me. So anyways, to get this phone, they're scamming people. I told them, fuck that, I'm tired of this shit. You guys are ripping me off. I said, I want to get rid of this service. Well, you're gonna have to pay for whatever's remaining on your phone. I said, fuck you, I pay my phones off. Well, I'm not paying my phone bill and I'm getting rid of this. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'll have to get a camera or something, but fuck a phone and fuck them cocksuckers too. So just so you know, if you trade your phone in, you're still liable for the money, even if you paid that phone off. So you tell me what I should do about that, and let's go look for this hawk. All right, guys, we're gonna go look for this hawk. I just seen it fly straight down the back here. That motherfucker. He got the head. I wonder, he must have got that head I laid up on top of the chicken I killed too. That was a big hawk. That might even been the young eagle I seen. Back here, dude. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's an owl. It's a fucking owl. See him? It's an owl. Oh no. It's an owl sitting there. See it up in the tree? Right here. You fucker. Woo, woo, woo. Why you gotta kill my chickens for, Mr. Owl? Huh? That is a big owl. He's sitting on that branch. That's a 2-foot span right there. He's 20 inches tall. I'll give you this chicken, but then you're gonna want my chickens. If I give you this chicken, will you not eat my chickens? I'll give it to you. I just don't want you eating my chickens. I'll give them to you. Don't fly. Yeah. I told you. I seen something. Most people ain't gonna pay attention to shit like that, but fucker. So I know it's killing my chickens. See, that's how you know it's a bird of prey when the head's gone, because they swoop down at such a speed and they just grab that head right off. Like what's that little game you play when you're younger? Mama had a baby and its head popped off. Alright guys, so anyways, I'm gonna turn around. I'm not doing the whole spam bit back here, but well guys, I can't let this chicken go to waste, so I'm just gonna at least get the breast out of it. If I had a plucker, I would have thrown it in a plucker right away, but let me look and see if this looks any good. It's actually still warm inside. Dang it. Yeah. Dang it. Dang it. Not very big. But it'll get us some lunch anyway. Yeah, one little breast. Yeah, I'm not doing a very good job at this, but at least it ain't all gonna go to waste. Ah, that freaking, he took the head right off this guy. Better way to do this, but I'm just in a hurry. I was just gonna cook some tenderloin, and I thought, well, fuck it, I'll just go out and cut that really quick. The city folk, they ain't gonna be doing this, so if the shit ever hits the fan, which I'm praying on, be able to do this. Ain't gonna get no fresher than that, bubs. That's raised. That chicken was about that size when we first got it, so that's what I did. I just flayed out the breast, and I could get more out of this, and I'm kind of ashamed to let it go to waste, but sorry. Mom wants some feathers, but she ain't getting none. I got her a couple. There you go. All right, so we cleaned that up. We got a good, I don't know, pound of meat off it. You know, that's basically a wild chicken. It goes over there. I feed it every once in a while, but that's it. So we're gonna cook that up, and that'll be that. All right, I might as well show the whole thing. So I'm just gonna take some tenderloin, beef tenderloin, some owl-killed chicken, some poblano pepper, some store-bought broccoli, and some wilted shit that would have went in the garbage. We're gonna make lunch really quick. So, hey, how is your bushel in the peck stew? Is it good, Mom? Are you not gonna eat it? You're just gonna have fishes?